devices of everything we've been putting into our senior garden, and there's some interesting facts that you might learn. And over behind you is our homemade compost bins where we just use styrofoam boxes. And then behind me we have our different weeks of compost, and then under our table we have some black beans which we've been growing from last year, and that's what we've been doing for our term. My favourite part was probably just getting to be in the garden and like helping like weed it, helping plants grow.
We bought a worm farm. It's like $100. So at the bottom of this one, there's some holes in it, holes down the bottom. So when we put the water in the worm farm, so the worms wee, and so it goes down into here, and then the worm wee comes out of this pipe here and goes into this bucket. And the worm wee, you can water your garden because it helps to make your plants more nutritious. But you have to water around the plant, otherwise if you pour the worm wee on top of the plant, if it's a really hot and sunny day, the sun might burn the plant. Yeah.